name is Shelby Vizin, and welcome to my Principles of Marketing presentation. Before I get into my product, let me tell you more about my company. My company is named Shelby & Company, LLC, in other words, SNC. SNC is a company that develops, manufactures, and distributes organic, waste-free essential home care products. The company uses all natural ingredients that come from local vendors and farmers in order to support the community. My goal with SNC is to provide homes all around the United States with organic, all-natural products that reduce waste in the home cleaning product industry. Our company is locally based in a small town in Maine around the coastal area. This provides more opportunities to the local vendors and farmers. With the development of SNC, it created jobs for the people in the rural towns that surround the company and improve the local economy. Our target customers will be comprised of individuals with concerns for sustainability and will be in tune with the Going Green market segment. The objectives of SNC are to become one of the most popular all-natural organic companies in the home cleaning product industry. Being able to use local resources and grow a widespread customer relationship with our stakeholders will make our company thrive and prosper. Now, going into our product. SNC has recently developed a new product that will soon be released in the year of 2017. With a team of highly trained professionals, SNC has produced the first ever dissolving dryer sheet. These dryer sheets are all natural and are made out of natural resources coming straight from Maine. These dryer sheets are infused with essential oils that give clothes a fresh scent. The company uses a special blend of natural waxes that are procured from the cuticles of organic plants in order to help the dissolving process. The dissolving dryer sheets will not stain clothes. They will provide softness. Static cling will no longer be an issue, and there will be no more wasteful, non-dissolving dryer sheets to be picked up and thrown out. These non-dissolving dryer sheets are going to be very popular. With a name like Gone & Strong, what can go wrong? Shelby & Company, LLC is committed to supplying all-natural and organic cleaning alternatives that provide a cleaner home with reduced waste. The plan for Shelby & Company, LLC is to be fully committed to our customers and to provide the best organic cleaning products possible. The first step in creating the business was to pick a location. SNC wanted a private place that would provide a good outcome. The second step was to find resources. We wanted to work with products that were available that surrounded the company and focused on the community. The third step was to find employees willing to work. Lastly, SNC had to find a way to be better than their competitors. Picking a location was difficult. We wanted a place that would support the brand and environment that fit that we were trying to portray. Since SNC is mainly focused on all natural and organic products, we do not want to have industrial surroundings. We also wanted to help the economy of the community. To help Shelby & Company exceed their goals, they need organic and all-natural products and resources. In the coastal town that SNC chose, it is surrounded by farms, land, and good people. Since the business was put into place, we have created and worked with over 200 people. That being said, we really focus on our employees and who we want to work for Shelby & Company for long periods of time. The individuals that live here are also willing to work and to help the environment. SNC wanted employees that had the drive, passion, and a quick mentality. They really need to care and be passionate about our mission statement and have the same beliefs as the company. SNC is a triple threat. We have a great location, all natural resources, and great long-term employees. Does that make us better than our competitors? SNC is constantly working on ways to be better than the companies in the same field. Since we are a new company, it has been a rocky start getting people from around the United States to trust our product. It is our hope with the new invention of the dissolving dryer sheets that we become better than our competitors. Next, we're going to talk about the SWOT analysis. First off, with strengths, our number one strength is being all natural. Being all natural is a strength because it helps the earth and makes it healthier. It helps the earth in tremendous ways. Being all natural means there's not going to be as much pollution going into the earth. Major companies that use harmful chemicals cause a lot of damage to the surrounding areas. They dump chemicals into lakes and streams that cause defects to the environment. Frogs and fish end up with two heads, or the water causes skin irritation to people that swim in the lakes and streams. Being all natural can also lead to health benefits. The health benefits of being all natural are extensive. It can boost a person's immune system and protect their body from diseases and other harmful problems. Our next strength is community and support. Having a community by our side can help the company greatly. Being positioned and planted in a small town can cause a stir with people that live there. S&C really focus on having a great community surrounding them. The company stays alive and profitable with good surrounding community. Next is being determined. Our company is so determined to provide the best products. We work hard to make sure we live up to our mission statement. S&C wants to be better than our competitors. Our determination sets us apart from other companies. We are really focused and determined to deliver what we promise. Long-term employees. Since we're located in a small area in Maine, a lot of employees come from the area. Since Shelby & Company is determined to be around for years, the company is confident that the employees will be around for just as long. Since we provide a great income for most of the area, they are willing to stay for long periods of time. Next, we're going to talk about weakness. Supply and demand. Since we mainly get ingredients to make our products for local farmers, it is hard to keep up with the supply needed to produce all products needed. Making enough product for all the customers is difficult. Shelby & Company LLC is trying their hardest to keep enough products on site to create all items needed for customers. The demand for these products keep growing as S&C are becoming more known and more popular. Since we do not have all the supplies to keep up with the demand for the products, some items may be on back orders for periods of time, while waiting for the supply to be created. S&C loves how much respect and support the customers have for the business. We hope to be able to keep up with the supply and demand for our customers in years to come. Next weakness is weather. Due to the fact that S&C uses all natural products from Maine, the weather can play a big impact on the ingredients we expect to use for our products. Most of our plants grow only during certain seasons. In those seasons, a person can never know what to expect. Too much rain can cause the crop to flood, and too much sun can cause the plants to dry out. In Maine, we are spoiled with all 4 seasons, but sometimes for farmers, those seasons can be a curse. It can be a good year for planting, and then there can be bad years. When bad years happen, it can cost more money, make people work 10 times harder, and cause a problem with the supply as products are created. Next is shipping cost. Being located in the most northern part of the United States, the shipping costs for our customers can be expensive. In order to get our products to certain places, it takes longer for packages to arrive and can cost more money. We use multiple ways of transportation in order to transport our products. Land, air, and sea are some of the ways we transport our products. Next is, we are only offered in the United States. All the weaknesses that Shelby & Company have all coincide. We do not offer to other countries besides the United States due to the fact of the supply and shipping cost. Once we can produce enough products and make enough money, we are looking to branch out. It is difficult to have enough products to supply the United States, let alone other countries. Our next weakness is limited time frame. Since our company relies on the weather and the seasons, we can be pressed for time and it can be stressful. S&C has a limited time frame because we need to collect as many products as possible from our local farmers and vendors. The next part of our SWOT analysis we are going to talk about is opportunities. First is we plan on expanding the business outside of the United States. S&C believes that expanding the company outside the United States will bring great opportunities to the company. It will bring more revenue and we'll be working with other countries. More revenue for the company means more money. More money can bring in more farmland and greenhouses. That means more produce and more products being sold. Next is online ordering. Online ordering can be a huge opportunity for S&C. If S&C can partner with Amazon to sell their products, it can reach great heights. More money will be made. And online ordering can also mean reaching more customers to other parts of countries. Another opportunity is to increase the economy. Shelby & Company really does have the opportunity to increase Maine's economy. Bringing a business like S&C and creating products like Gone & Strong dissolvable dryer sheets, it brings hopes to Mainers. It helps farmers make a difference while making a profit. It creates jobs for people that have been jobless for years. Next, we'd like to expand production. One thing that S&C is really focused on is expanding. This is an opportunity because it can bring more money and we can sell more products. How are we planning on expanding? By building multiple year-long greenhouses. Building year-long greenhouses will take the stress off a limited time frame that we have. Instead of gathering all the produce possible to make as many products as possible, we'll have it all year long. Lastly, we want to be faster and better. Overall, Shelby & Company LLC main opportunity is to become faster and better. In order to achieve our goals, it is crucial that we take this opportunity full force. Being fast will mean more orders being shipped out. When the orders get shipped out, it will not take as long as it normally would. Being able to please our customers more and more is very important to us. The last part of our SWOT analysis is threats. One threat is the loss of customers. One of our biggest threats that we face is the loss of customers. If we do not take the opportunities that are given to us, we could lose a vast amount of people. Losing people to other companies is tough. It makes our brand seem less important than others, and it takes the value of what Shelby & Company is trying to portray. Next is weather. Weather is not only a weakness, it is a major threat to the company. Everything this company is based around has to do with the weather. We need good seasons in order to get the items needed to make our products. Since we do source locally owned farms and businesses for our all-natural and organic products, if the farmers and small business owners do not have a good year due to the weather, then S&C has a bad year as well. Of course, competitors. With every business, there's always going to be competitors trying to be bigger and better. Competitors are a threat for obvious reasons. They can steal customers from the business, which means drop in revenue. Some competitors play dirty and can make up rumors about businesses. Next is technology. Since we are an organic and all-natural business, the use of technology can be scary. We do not like the use of technology. For the most part, we try to keep it technology-free, which is almost impossible. Technology is a threat to us because we know we need to expand, but we do not like the fact of technology. We're really focused on clean, natural, and organic living. Unfortunately, technology does not fit into any of those categories. Lastly, it's cost. When people think of organic, they automatically relate it to cost. Organic is pricey, for both the customers and for the business. Cost is a threat because it is expensive to be organic and all natural. If we want quality products for our customers, we need to spend the money in order to give the best products possible.